guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video on TikTok videos that have gone viral, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy a few of them. So the first one here is this one. So I'm going to copy exactly the same thing and I'm going to upload it to TikTok. I love this video, like it is crazy. It's such a huge transformation. She looks like a completely different person. I looked at the comments and someone was like, is this the same person? Like they were actually being serious. So I'm going to give that one a go and I'll show you guys what I come up with. Oh yeah, and another thing I forgot to say was this video here got 3 million views. Yeah, so I've just looked at the video like 10 times to get this right. So she has her hand like this and then she puts her head down going that way. So she goes like that. And then she cuts it into the frame where she's wearing the makeup. So she goes from not wearing anything, looking like a completely different person, to wearing makeup, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put my makeup on and then I'm going to film this TikTok. So another tip that I've learned on the way is you save a couple of videos to the camera roll. So if you don't have that video that you want, at least you've got something, you know? So yeah, and now I've got all my makeup here. I'm going to do my makeup. I've filmed the first part of it with no makeup on, and now I'm going to do my face and finish the TikTok. So firstly, I'm going to start off with this MAC primer here. Oh my gosh, I just saw on Twitter last night, MAC Cosmetics donated $10 million to people that are suffering from the virus. Like, isn't that insane? Like, that's so kind. I'm going to use this primer now. I'm just going to apply that all over my face. And I think I might do foundation first. I always do my eyeshadow first because I don't like fallout, but I'm going to switch it up today. Because I just want to get on with it because it's like my TikTok video is what actually matters. So you want to wait a couple of minutes for your primer to sink into your skin. So I'm just going to do my brows in the meantime. And I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade. I'm just applying that to my brows. This step always makes such a difference. Oh gosh, it's just gliding on because of the primer I just put on. I haven't made that many TikToks. It's so time consuming, like you actually need patience, and I don't know if I have patience, to be honest. I'm going to do full glam today, but I'm going to wear quite natural lashes. The next video I'm going to do is like a fitness video, and I've seen heaps of people do this one. And I thought like it might motivate me as well because I've just been doing cardio at the moment. It's so funny because like some days I'll do nothing, but like if I have something on that day, I'm like, no, I have to get all this makeup stuff done. Like I can't not do it, and it motivates me to like really sort my shit out and like get things done. Or else I don't know what I do, but time slips away real quick. So I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fix foundation, and it's an NC20. I just want a really full coverage today, so I'm just gonna cake it on pretty much. Something I've realized in my videos is that I don't ever put my head up. Like I need to start putting my head up more like this, because it's like my head's always down like that and people can't see. So I'm gonna start making an effort to hold my head up more. Yep, that colour's perfect. I'm really good at mixing colours together. Like when I see someone and I'm about to do their makeup, I know exactly what colours I'm going to mix straight away. I've been doing voiceovers more because like sometimes I sit there and I like actually don't want to say anything, but then other times like today I'm just like, I think of all this stuff that I want to say and I don't shut up, but then other times I'm like so quiet and I just don't say anything. So I'm like, I'm sitting there in the whole video not saying a single word. So I was like, no, I've got to get a microphone so people actually, like I'm actually talking, because people don't want to sit there the whole time and not say anything. Like some people learn from hearing how to do things. Like personally, I'm someone that learns by seeing things visually, but everyone's different, you know? Oh my gosh, look how much I put on. That's insane. I don't want to wipe off my eyebrows. And that's kind of the way I'm going at the moment. Oh my gosh. That's terrible. And now I'm going in with the MAC NC20 concealer, and I'm just going to apply that under my eyes. I already love the way my makeup looks today. I honestly reckon it's down to the skincare I used yesterday and just like really pampered my skin. And something else that I find really strange as well, I don't wash my face before I do my makeup. Like, it dries my skin out even when I put not foundation, moisturizer on. So I just avoid it. Like, I think the oils and stuff left on your skin, I know it sounds gross, actually do some good before applying your foundation. So I just don't even bother. Like, I've got a really good skincare routine, so I don't feel guilty about it either. And I always take my makeup off as soon as I can, like after I'm finished. Like, I don't like to leave it on my skin. Sometimes I just do a makeup video and I just take it off. Like, I'm not out to impress people, I'm doing it for me. And now I'm going to get the NC30 MAC powder, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face, and that's just going to add coverage. I love this powder, it looks so good. Oh, it's so good, and it makes your skin look so flawless. It doesn't make you look cakey either. Like, the MAC foundation is pretty cakey, I'm not gonna lie, but this powder, it's not cakey. Like, it's perfect. I'm going in with the Mercier powder. I'm just gonna apply that under my eyes here. Oh my gosh guys, I've been obsessed with this palette here. I'm going to use it again today. I know I haven't put this one down, but I'm going to go in with this pinky shade right here. I'm going to put that in my crease because you always want to use a matte colour in the crease. Oh, it's so pigmented. I have not put this palette down. I'm definitely going to add a darker shade to my eyes, because that one's quite light and I want a little bit more dimension. And now I'm going to go in with the Chocolate Bar Too Faced palette, and I'm going to get this little Huda Beauty brush. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I love this palette. It smells like chocolate. Where I got my eyebrows done, they were so uneven. Like, I look at my videos and like the photos I posted of my makeup and I'm just like, oh my god, that is so cringe. Like, but I think it's just because I've got real high standards now, because like I've had to learn everything to do with brows. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with this shade here from that same palette. I'm going to quite go a little bit like light-handed with this shade. Now I want to do something in my waterline because I always forget to do that, and I'm going to go in with the NYX eyeshadow base, this one right here. It opens your eyes up so much. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And now I'm going in with this product right here, it's P.Louise. And I'm going to do a little cut crease. And I'm kind of just like blending it into my crease. Now I'm going to go in with this gold shimmery velvety looking shade right here. Oh, it's so pretty. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Whoa, I really like that shade. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is actually probably the beautifulest shade I've used in this palette, hands down. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. If you haven't got this palette, definitely get it. It's so amazing. So pigmented and it's like so foiled. But not in a way where it makes your lines in your eyes crease. And now I'm going in with Benefit Hoola Bronzer, and I'm just applying this to my cheekbones. And now I'm going in with the Nars blush and Orgasm, and I'm just applying that to my cheeks. And now I'm going to go in with the Lou Manizer highlight by the Balm, and I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks. Oh, I love that. And now I'm going to go in with this MAC lip liner, and I'm just going to line my lips. This is not creamy at all. I really want to try Shein XO's ones, they're probably way better. Now I'm going in with the YSL lipstick. This is the creamiest thing I've ever put on my lips. It's so nice. It just melts onto your lips. And then I'm going in with the Buxom lips. Oh, it's the lip gloss, and it's in White Russian. I'm just applying that to my lips. I really like glosses. And this is the final makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to show you what the video looks like after I'm done, and I'll see you guys next time.
Excuse me, her name is Margo. Not Margo or Mango. Yeah, someone said Wells Fargo.
They call me Tiago. I don't